It's Bruce again. Today I'll show you how to do ellipses. Yeah, that's me. Uh, let's see, in my last video I showed you how to do parabolas and graph them. Today I will show you ellipses. Let's see. I just came up with a random one that took me only a couple of days to write. Yeah. I got 36x squared plus 196y squared minus 432x plus 1176y minus 3996 equals 0. Yes, we like those zeros at the end. Now, here we just want to separate the x's and the y's, and yeah, drag that down. You take 36 from everything because you can divide it from negative 432 apparently. You get a negative 12, so that would be 30x times x squared minus 12x, and I divided that by 2 to get negative 6. You square that, and whenever you square a number you always get a positive, so that would be a positive 36. Go over here, same thing. You take the number here with the y squared, and yeah, you take it out of the whole thing. So you get 196 times y squared plus 6y, and divide that by 2. 3 squared, 9. Yeah, good job. Equals, oh yeah, you add the 3996 because we don't like that number because it's different. It does not have an x nor a y. So we put that in place of 0. Positive number for a lonely fella. Now, over here, you just 36 times x minus 6 squared. I'll just give you a little, I'll give you a little tip right here. Whenever you divide this number by 2, that always goes with your x, or here always goes with your y. And so, yeah, x plus 6 squared plus 196 times y plus 3 squared equals, you pull that number down, and obviously when you add 9 and 36, 9, yeah, you add that to this, and you just not only add the 9 and the 36, but also the number in front of them, the 36 times 36 and the 196 times the 9. So you basically just times those, add them to this, and here you just pull everything down, and then whatever you get here, which in our case is 7,056, big numbers, you divide what the whole thing is equal to here by itself, and what you do here always you must do to the other side. I wrote it twice here to show you this, to show you that, sorry, I did it twice here to show you that Y is its whole little deal here. X is its whole little deal here. They're like two different people. They don't necessarily like each other. Just because they're on the same side doesn't really mean they like each other. So basically 7056 divided, well, yeah, 36 divided by 7056 gives you 1 over 196. That's good. Over here, 196 divided by 7056 gives you 36. That is really good. Yeah, when you get to this step, basically these two numbers just like flip sides and go down, as you can see here. And obviously 7056 divided by itself is 1. That is really good, because for some weird reason when we do ellipses and hyperbolas we always want to get 1. Don't ask me why, just how I've been taught. Now over here, the graph looks like a football. Yes. They come in various sizes, and they always look like this, or like a sideways eyeball or a sideways football, whichever way you want to look at it. Now here, yes, let's look at the standard form here. Yeah, as you can see, you take the opposite of the x and the opposite of the y, so that would be -6. That would be +6 and -3. X plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. There's your center. Good. Now down here, whatever's below the x, which hopefully you should have gotten a perfect square, which this is a perfect square of 14. So we're gonna go over 14 spaces left and right. That's exactly 14 units right there. 36, obviously, perfect square of 6. So you go up 6 and down 6. Now, and then you just try your best. I didn't do a real perfect job. This is what you call a sketch. I'm not an artist, but yeah, this is my attempt of drawing a football. So, come back over here. Once again, I will show you how to go from what do you call it, standard to general form with ellipses. You have your whole little standard form written out as you once did, but different thing is you multiply the bottom two numbers, the two perfect squares, together, and oh, look what we got here. We got that giant number again, 7056. Basically, you just distribute that to both sides, or all three people, since x, y, they don't like each other. Yeah. So yeah, 7056 times 1 over 196. 1 over 196 is an extremely small number. I would not want to get paid with that. Now, yeah, so that would give you 36. And just pull the x minus 6 squared down. And then 7056 times 1 over 36 gives you that. Oh, looky here. We swapped again. Yeah. this should be enough swapping for today. And pull y plus 3 squared down. This times this, 7056 times 1 equals obviously 7056. Now here you just want to FOIL and pull the outside number down. Yeah. And keep the 7056, the last number here, the same. And now look what we got here. 36 times x squared minus 6x plus negative 6x plus 36 plus 196 times y squared plus 3y plus 3y plus 9 equals that big number there. Here you just add your like terms. That would be negative 12. 36 times negative 12 gives you negative 432x. And that's a boo-boo I made. Same with here. If your two last numbers here are any smaller than this number, then you probably made a big boo-boo like I did. There goes to show you, after a couple of months of learning this, you could pro like me could still mess up. Now where was I? Oh yes, I'd like terms. Yeah, big boo-boo here. Big boo-boo. Enough of my failure. Yeah, so you just distribute here the 196 to three numbers. Bad. And oh, look here. Yeah, missing step. Basically the 36 times 36 here. Yeah. You see that, those two numbers? Yeah. Plus 196 times 9, which is, well, look here, this and this. Gives you 3060. And you take the 7056 from here minus the 3060, that gives you a 3996. Pardon my handwriting. So yes, that would be 36x squared plus 196y squared minus 432x plus 1176y plus 3996 equals 0. So yeah, that should be it. If this did not help you at all, I am terribly sorry. But I am not that great at explaining math, and yeah. So have a good one.